And now it's poop free. All right. So, my bumpers on the car, most people don't know, but they're actually fiberglass. And I had them painted before to look like chrome. Well, that paint lasted for a number of years, but then it chipped, and it was actual silver paint with a clear coat. And once that clear coat got chipped, the silver underneath started to oxidize, or you know what silver does when you got to polish it up. Speaking of polishing, I'm gonna wipe off this camera lens. There we go. So this time around, I thought, well, maybe we'll try wrapping them with some of that chrome wrap. And I had the guys down at Fine Line Graphics here in Denver wrap these. Got them sitting right up here on the lift. So let's pull one down. I think we'll start with the is that the back one? Yeah, we're gonna start with the back one. Okay, now the front bumper is going to be a little trickier, only because I'm trying to save a little weight. I mean, that's why I'm running fiberglass bumpers. So what I did is these are the factory mounts. So it goes like this, like that, holds the bumper. So I made some aluminum ones that are significantly lighter. We just got to make sure they're going to fit correctly. We'll see. So let me get the bumper. We'll pull this one down here. Okay, we got that welded. Not going to show you my welds because they're not beautiful. But we got to cut the wrap on the bumper because they didn't open up that hole for those particular bolts. So we're going to cut that right now. I'll show you where it is. See that little spot right there? We're just going to cut that. I think we'll just do it like that, just It's an X maybe, huh? Just like that. And then the bolt, God, I can't get the camera in the right spot, but then the bolt can go right there. So let's cut this other one. Same thing. Just like that. That looks freaking sweet. Way better than it did. I wish I had some video of it before, because it looked like where the paint had like oxidized the silver, it looked literally like there was bird poop all over the front of the bumper. And now it's poop free, so it's good. All right, I'm genuinely stoked about this. Look at this bumper. So it's on, and these are the aluminum brackets I made. Those turned out super sweet. Like, they fit right in there. They're gonna do their deal. And I'll bet you combined, I didn't weigh them, I probably should have, but they're probably at least 2 pounds, maybe 3 pounds each lighter than the original Ford ones for the steel bumper. So that's cool. I don't need that extra mass for a super light fiberglass bumper. So I'm just psyched. I think that's cool. We'll get the license plate mounted and I'll give you a final shot. Oh, and the blinkers, got to get those mounted too. Here's the finished product. Blinkers and license plate installed. Pretty happy with how this turned out.